Hello students, welcome to Online Study Center of Online Learning School. In this last and concluding video of chapter 13, we will conclude this chapter, the world we are living in. We will discuss the topic of terrorism in India, and environmental topics like pollution, exploitation and depletion of natural resources, global warming, and deforestation. So let's discuss one by one. First is your terrorism. Two picture that come in my mind is given below on page number 150. Just see at the below of your page 150. One picture of 9/11 attack and other is your in November 2008 the Taj Mahal Hotel Mumbai attack, terrorist attack. So these are the very serious problem the world is facing today in the form of terrorism. Now, terrorism has emerged as a global phenomena. Modern day terrorists are not constrained by the boundaries of the countries. They have also become technology savvy, very technocrat. They get funding for their activities from the many terror group spread all around the world. So this has become a very serious problem in the world, terrorism. Some of the terrorist attack that has happened, very famous that has shook the world is your September 11 attack on 11 September 2001 in the United States of America. Some terrorists belonging to an international terrorist organization hijacked some aeroplanes and crashed two of them into the twin towers of the World Trade Center in the New York. So this has shook the world. Second, Indian Parliament in on 13 December 2001, an attack on Indian Parliament has happened. It was also a terrorist activity. 2008 Mumbai attack from 26 to 29 November 2008 when some terrorists sneak into Mumbai and killed over 160 people. So these are the terrorist activities which has shook all over the world, and today also this activity is continuously increasing. So the world is facing and our country is also facing this as a very serious problem. Now next topic is your terrorism in India, in our country. So India in particular is grappling with the problem of terrorism. The state of Jammu and Kashmir is particularly affected with this terrorist activities. Almost every day we hear some of terrorist activities from that state. So terrorism in India is also affecting us as also the whole world. We need to tackle with this. So we have taken the topic terrorism and terrorism in India. Now come to the topic of some environmental concern like pollution, exploitation and depletion of natural resources, global warming and deforestation. Let's look at one by one. First is pollution. Pollution means any kind of mixing of substances in the pure natural form of environment. This is known as pollution. So there are different kinds of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. So let's take it. Industrialization has led to pollution. The resources that sustain life are getting increasingly polluted every day. So industries and vehicles are releasing toxic gases that are polluting the air. So this is your air pollution. The water resources are getting contaminated due to industrial effluent and oil spills. So this is your water pollution. Now, farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides which contaminate the soil. This is your soil pollution. And the one is very common is the noise pollution. Particularly in the cities, volumes have gone up, noises have gone up, resulting in noise pollution today. So this is a pollution problem that we are also facing and the world is also facing today. So we have seen the topic pollution. Now next topic is your exploitation and depletion of natural resources. What is this? We are dependent on the environment for all our needs, but we need to be careful while taking from the environment. We also need to give back to the environment, like we use fossil fuels and minerals which cannot be which cannot be replenished. So we need to use it very judicially and wisely. If this exploitation continues, there will soon be a time when there will be a natural resource, no natural resources left. So how will we sustain them? So we need to look at very seriously judicial use of natural resources so that we can not suffer in the future. So we have taken this topic. Now next topic is your global warming. What is that? There is has been a change in climate of the world. You can see it due to number of factors, the temperature, pollution and contamination, the or human activities. The temperature of the earth is increasing, the world is getting warmer. If this process continue, one day will come when the polar ice caps will melt, resulting in the rise of the sea level, and most of the island in the world will submerged. And those countries which are in the offshore of the seas, they're also facing a serious problem with this global warming effect. And also the weather is changing, so everyone is facing the problem with global warming. So this is another problem that the world is facing today, that is global warming. Next and last topic is deforestation. What is it? Forests are being cut down to get wood to clear land for farming and also for their man-made uses. So what has happened due to the clearance of forest? What has happened? Deforestation has led to extinction of plant and animal species which were very essential for the survival, man survival in the habitat. They have now replenished, and soil erosion has also increased, altering of the rainfall pattern leading to lesser rainfall, increase in the level of carbon dioxide in the air. This happened because tree absorb carbon dioxide and now the tree are not in the forest, so we have a increased level of carbon dioxide in the environment, and all of us are facing a serious problem of this is air pollution. Now, so with this we have concluded the chapter. In this three video we have concluded this chapter. Now some instruction for you students, listen carefully. Number 1, question and answer and book exercises you have to do in copy neatly and tidily. Number 2, you will get a download link where you can download the copy work which you have to do. Number 3, whenever school opens, I will check the copy and also the copy work, also the book work. So prepare it. So follow this instruction and take care of yourself at home. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you.